up, everyone? Today we're exploring the Sam Houston National Forest, and I wanted to do a quick tour of my truck. So starting from the front, I have the Diode Dynamics fog lights, stock headlights. This is a 2020 TRD Off-road 4x4. I am rocking the Bilstein 5100s, or the Bilstein 6112s and the 5160s. On my old truck I had the 5100s and I love those, but these are way better. I am running the Stealth Custom Series wheels. I believe these are 16 by 8.5 with a 0 offset. Then the Wildpeak all-terrain AT3Ws, amazing tires. They've done really well so far. I have smoked mirror signals, or whatever I guess they're called. And then off to the side here, I have the Cali Raised Trail Edition. I believe they're 45-degree sliders, rock sliders. Shout out to Jake at Cali Raised LED for hooking me up with these. Alright, so coming to the back, we have a Voodoo Fabrications, I believe that's the name of it. Bed rack. It's a mid rack with LED lights. These are aftermarket LED lights on the sides. I have these wired into my cab lights, so whenever I open the door or I flip on my switch, these lights illuminate. They're really good for at night when we have the tent open. Speaking of the tent, we have a rough country overland tent. It's the only one they have. I believe it's pretty new. It is 92 by 62. It's between a queen size and a king size mattress. We love it. It has so much room for me, my wife, and our baby that's 3 months old. Coming to the back here, we have some Baja Designs chase lights. These work great for when people are following you on trails. If it's really dusty or rainy or snowy, I haven't driven in the snow, but they're really good for that. And I think that's about it. We're gonna do a few more upgrades to the truck, and just stay tuned on our YouTube channel. We're filming some adventures coming up here, and we have in the past, if you want to go check out our other videos. Something I didn't mention, I have Deaver leaves in the rear, and my shocks are only on like the first perch. I still have about 1.5 inches more to go, but with the tent and when we have our truck loaded down with all our camping stuff, it's fairly level, so I'm probably going to keep it at this height for a while. I have more than enough clearance for my tires to flex, as you can see in some of the videos we've posted. If you have any questions about anything here, let me know. I'll try to comment back in the comments, and I appreciate you guys watching.